Hello, and welcome to our podcast. We're glad you're here. In this episode, we'll explore interesting ideas, share insights, and bring you stories that matter. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Today we are talking about 39 English words with multiple meanings. The English language is a treasure trove of words that can leave even native speakers puzzled. Did you know that there are words with multiple meanings? In this article, we delve into such words that lead double lives. The word bow, for instance, can mean to tilt your head forward in a sign of respect, but it can also be tied up into a ribbon and used to shoot arrows in the forest. Read on to learn more about 39 different words with multiple meanings, along with their meanings and examples. There's even a bonus video to watch. What are words with multiple meanings called? Words with multiple meanings are called homonyms. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation but have different meanings. They can be categorized further into homophones, different spelling, same pronunciation, different meaning. Homographs, same spelling, not necessarily pronounced the same, different meaning. Heteronyms, same spelling, different pronunciation, different meaning. The English language is rich with homonyms, which can make it challenging for English learners. Here, we focus purely on homographs and heteronyms to avoid any extra confusion. 39 words with multiple meanings. Let's take a look at 39 different words with multiple meanings. Back, noun, verb, adjective, noun. The rear part of something. Example, the back of the car was dented. Verb, to support or endorse. Example, he will back the project. Adjective, located behind. Example, she stood at the back of the line. Bark, noun, verb, noun. The sound a dog makes. Example, the dog's bark woke up the neighborhood. Verb, the outer covering of a tree. Example, the bark on the tree was very old. Bat, noun, verb, noun. A flying mammal. Example, bats come out at night to hunt for insects. Verb, to strike forcefully. Example, he bats a home run in the baseball game. Bear, noun, verb, noun, a large mammal. Example, the bear roamed the forest, searching for food. Verb, to tolerate or carry a burden. Example, she couldn't bear the weight of her responsibilities. Book, noun, verb, noun, a written or printed literary work. Example, the library is filled with books on various topics. Verb, to make a reservation. Example, we should book a table for dinner tonight. Bow, noun, verb, noun, a knot tied with two loops, often used for tying shoelaces or wrapping gifts. Example, she added a decorative bow to the present. Noun, the curved, often wooden part of a bow and arrow that launches the arrow. Example, the archer carefully aimed the arrow on the bow. Verb, to bend the upper part of the body forward as a gesture of respect. Example, she will bow to the audience after her performance. Bowl, noun, verb, noun, a round container. Example, I like to have my cereal in a bowl. Verb, to participate in a sport. Example, they decided to bowl after enjoying a hearty meal. Box, noun, verb, noun, a container. Example, he put the jewelry in the box. Verb, to fight. Example, they will box in the ring. Verb, to package something. Example, He will box up the Christmas tree later. Break, noun, verb, noun, a pause. Example, they took a break during the long meeting. Verb, to damage. Example, be careful not to break the glass. Buck, noun, verb, noun, a male deer. Example, a magnificent buck grazed in the meadow. Verb, to resist or oppose. Example, she had to buck against the rules to make a change. Noun, a document or a tool. Example, she stored the important file in the cabinet. Close, adjective, verb, adjective. Near in terms of distance. Example, the store is close to my house. Verb, to shut or bring to an end. Example, please close the door when you leave. Compound, noun, verb, adjective, noun, a mixture. Example, the chemical compound was difficult to understand. Verb, to make something worse. Example, his actions will compound the problem. Adjective, consisting of multiple parts. Example, the compound word was a combination of two others. Date, noun, verb, noun. A day on the calendar. Example, what is the date today? Noun, a romantic outing. Example, let's plan a date for the weekend. Verb, to determine the age of something. Example, carbon dating helps in dating ancient artifacts. Verb, to socialize romantically. Example, we have been dating for a few months. Face, noun, verb, noun. The front of the head or an expression. Example, he had a friendly face and a smile. Verb, to confront or deal with a situation. Example, she will face her fears and overcome them. Fair, noun, adjective, noun. A public event for entertainment, often featuring games and rides. Example, we enjoyed the rides and cotton candy at the county fair. Adjective, treating everyone without favoritism, just and equitable. Example, the judge ensured a fair trial for the accused. Adjective, having light skin and or hair. Example, she had fair skin and striking blue eyes. Fast, adjective, adverb, adjective, something quick. Example, the fast car sped down the road. Adjective, not eating. Example, he will fast tomorrow for religious reasons. Adverb, quickly. Example, she can run fast. File, noun, verb, noun, a document. Example, she stored the important file in the cabinet. Noun, a tool. Example, he used the nail file after he cut his toenails. Verb, to submit or smooth a surface. Example, he will file the report tomorrow. Jam, noun, verb, noun, a fruit preserve. Example, she spread jam on her toast. Verb, to become stuck or blocked. Example, the traffic jam delayed their journey. Lead, noun, verb, noun, a heavy metal. Example, the lead in the pencil is made of graphite. Verb, to guide or be in front. Example, he will lead the expedition to the mountain. Left, adjective, noun, adjective, the opposite of right. Example, her left shoe is missing. Noun, a political affiliation. Example, he supported the left-wing party. Match, noun, verb, noun, a competition. Example, the soccer match was intense. Verb, to pair or be equivalent. Example, the socks match her outfit perfectly. Model, noun, verb, noun, a fashion icon. Example, the model wore the latest fashion. Verb, to demonstrate or serve as an example. Example, she will model the correct behavior for the team. Novel, noun, adjective, noun, a fiction book. Example, Lord of the Rings is one of the greatest novels ever written. Adjective, something new or original, unlike something seen before. Example, the internet was a novel invention that revolutionized life as we know it. Pitch, noun, verb, noun, a field. Example, they played on the pitch. Verb, to present. Example, he will pitch his idea to the investors. Present, noun, verb, adjective, noun, a gift. Example, she received a present on her birthday. Verb, to introduce or offer. Example, he will present his findings to the team. Adjective, existing now. Example, this is the present situation. Ring, noun, verb, noun, a piece of jewelry. Example, she received a beautiful diamond ring. Noun, a sound. Example, did you hear the phone ring? Verb, to make a phone call. Example, he decided to ring her up to confirm. Rock, noun, verb, noun, a solid mineral. Example, the rock formations were breathtaking. Noun, a genre of music. Example, the rock concert was amazing. Verb, to move back and forth or to be steady. Example, she rocked the baby to sleep. Round, noun, verb, adjective, noun, a circular shape. Example, the table has a round top. Verb, to encircle. Example, they will round up the sheep. Adjective, shaped like a circle. Example, she had a round face. Row, noun, verb, noun, a line of things or people or things that are next to each other. Example, the students sat in a row. Noun, a dispute. Example, they had a row about politics. Verb, to paddle a boat. Example, they rowed across the calm lake. Run, noun, verb, noun, a quick sprint or jog. Example, she went for a run in the morning. Verb, to manage or operate. Example, he can run a successful business. Season, noun, the 4 periods of the year, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, marked by daylight hours and changing weather patterns. Example, winter is my favorite season because of Christmas. Noun, a sequence of related television programs. Example, we're currently watching the 4th season on Netflix. Verb, to add salt, herbs, pepper, or other spices to food to give it extra flavor. Example, I always season the chicken with plenty of herbs. Spring, noun, verb, noun, a season. Example, the flowers bloom in spring. Noun, a coiled device. Example, the coiled spring in the mechanical watch provided the necessary tension to keep accurate time. Verb, to jump or emerge suddenly. Example, the cat will spring onto the table. Stand, noun, verb, noun, a structure. Example, the stand was filled with merchandise. Verb, to remain upright. Example, please stand for the national anthem. Verb, to take a position. Example, she decided to stand up for what she believed in. Star, noun, verb, noun, a celestial body. Example, the star in the sky was incredibly bright. Noun, a famous person. Example, Lady Gaga is a huge star. Verb, to perform exceptionally or feature prominently. Example, she will star in the upcoming movie. Table, noun, verb, noun, a piece of furniture. Example, they sat around the table for dinner. Noun, a data arrangement. Example, have you checked what's in the data table? Verb, to put forward for discussion. Example, let's table this topic for our next meeting. Train, noun, verb, noun, a locomotive. Example, the train left the station. Verb, to educate or prepare. Example, he will train for the marathon. Watch, noun, verb, noun, a timepiece. Example, he wore a watch on his wrist. Verb, to observe or guard. Example, the security guard will watch the premises. Wave, noun, verb, noun, a water movement. Example, the wave crashed against the shore. Verb, to move one's hand. Example, she waved goodbye as the train departed. Wind, noun, verb, noun, air in motion. Example, the wind rustled the leaves. Verb, to turn or twist. Example, she will wind the thread around the spool. There you have it. That's 39 words with multiple meanings you've now learned about. English is a language rich in nuance and ambiguity, and these words illustrate that. Understanding their various meanings can be challenging, but it's also what makes English a dynamic and ever-evolving language.